Patrick Gallardo. I'll be your presenter for this evening, and it's been a while since nakapag Zoom po ako sa inyo with everyone. Normally I'm the one who's presenting, but for the past few days or weeks, no, rather, we got so busy from not just traveling but building our community here in NSGP. And gaya na nakita niyo po sa video kanina, that is our June trip to China, Macau, and Hong Kong. For 6 days, we were there and traveling and enjoying our perks or our time with other members of NSGP. And yun po yung gusto natin mga i-share din sa inyo na soon makasama po namin kayo dyan sa ating mga trips na ginagawa natin dito sa NSGP. So welcome to our Zoom presentation. I will be your presenter for this evening. So let's go ahead and start this very great presentation that we are going to do. Okay, so let me just pull out my slides. Okay. So, yan, no, daming new names na hindi ko alam or hindi ko kilala, but welcome, no? To give the background of myself, no, I've been doing this kind of business for almost 16 years, okay? I've been in the direct selling business for the past 15 years, and I started as a distributor, and then from a distributor po, naging isang top earner po tayo for 4 years, actually 5 years straight, up until 2015 po, na-pirate po tayo to be part of the management position in setting up a company na owned by Camiseta brand. Okay, so nag-start po ako doon at the lowest ranking po, hanggang all the way to the top po as a vice president of the company. Hanggang 2018 po, I was pirated by Enworld or by Mr. Julio Luis Nolasco, and then around pandemic nag-resign na ako, no. So ang plan ko noon was to set up my own, at the same time expand our business na restaurant and bar, but unfortunately that didn't happen due to pandemic, no. So tinamaan po tayo ng pandemic. So ginawa ko po, naging consultant po ako for international companies. Nag-set up po ako ng mga kumpanya, starting from the bottom po, na set up natin yung kanilang compensation, sinayos natin para sa fit po sa panlasa natin mga Pilipino, no. So yun po yung ginawa ko ng 2021 hanggang 2023. Hanggang yun nga po, bago matapos po yung taon ng 2023, I was introduced to cryptocurrency, gaya ng papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon. But since 2017 po, nagka-crypto na po ako, pero bumibili lang po ako. Etong 2023, pinakita po sa akin yung staking side ng cryptocurrency. And nag-start po yun November, at yung company po na yun is fully licensed by the Central Bank of the Philippines. So nag-open po tayo for 1 year and 3 months, and we were able to deliver about 1.9 billion pesos in liquidity. At yun po yung maging umikot po sa circulation ng company, at very promising po nangyari dyan hanggang sa binili ito po tayo ng isang malaking negosyante, no? At naging isang application na po siya na gaya ng GCash na tinatawag ay VBank. Okay? So just time lang din when I found out na mag-merge yung company namin with that company, I was already looking for another opportunity for me, no? So hanggang nakita ko nga po itong si New Society ng February 11 of 2025, no? Kasama ko po dyan ang ating mga partners, si Sir Charles, Sir Brian, Sir Joseph, Sir Gren, and the other leaders po na nagsimula po dito sa New Society. Nakita namin yung beauty kagad ng company na to. So February 18 po, nung nag-launch po itong New Society or itong NSGP na papakita ko po sa inyo, ito yung New Society governance platform that we are going to introduce po sa inyo, no? So before we push any further, a little disclaimer lang po, yung content po ng ating presentation is not a financial advice, okay? At yung ating presentation po is just for educational purposes lang po, at hindi po ito investment company. Klaruhin ko po hindi po ito investment company. What you're doing here is you're buying a token, at yun po yung explain po sa inyo. What the presentation does is we're just going to educate you on how to navigate, how to use, at paano po nag-work si NSGP. Clear? Okay. So ngayon po, ang office po natin is located in Malaysia. Yes, yan po yung pinuntahan ko po ng February 11 po. At yan po yung what do you call this, yung pinunta natin sa Malaysia nung Feb nga po, at nakita natin na very well-placed yung ating office because nilagay po to sa Premier Financial Hub. Saan po? Sa TRX 106 Exchange. It is the second tallest building in the whole Kuala Lumpur, and it's backed up by the government because ano po yan, Premier Financial Hub nga po, at part po dyan na fund is si HSBC. So for you to get an office here, dapat napakaganda ng iyong financial track record. And we were able to do that because our company owner is a Datu in Malaysia. His name is Datu David Liu. Okay. I met him when I first went to Malaysia, and even up to now, we still keep on contact, and very well diverse yung mga ginagawa natin dito sa ating company with the owner because very hands-on siya, yung nagustuhan ko sa ginagawa niya dito. So yeah, we were able to bring not only 1 or 10, but we were able to bring over, I think, close to 1,000 Filipinos already there in Malaysia, at nakita na po nila ang ating head office dyan, no? So kaway-kaway sa mga nakita na ng office natin, at soon sana kayo din. Why? Because NSGP is already, actually medyo mali update ko natin ito. We're already 50 plus thousand. I think we're 51 or I think 55,000 members already. And currently in the Philippines, we are over 5,000 members already. No? Kaway-kaway naman dyan, no, sa mga first natin. But welcome po sa inyo lahat, na tayo po ay ang unang-una mga nakita ng NSGP, at ito po yung papakita natin po sa inyo ngayon. We're open po in 55 countries already and still growing. We're expanding, we're sharing this to many people, at pinapakita natin yung kagandahan ng ating platform. And yun nga, we're close to 5,000 members here in the Philippines na. And ang goal ba ng ating company is to create a thriving community. Bakit? Yun po yung strength na ginagawa natin. Now, when I first went to NSGP, syempre wala ka pa makuha mga information dyan. But ngayon po, when you search NSGP po, saan? Sa ChatGPT. No? Ano naman natin na ginagamit na halos ng lahat ngayon ng ChatGPT for research and everything. When you search ChatGPT, ang New Society Governance Platform, and if you ask if it's legitimate, you will see a lot of what? Reviews already. No? Makikita niyo po dyan na what? Ito, gaya nakita natin dito. It is what? Transparency and auditability of governance processes. Okay? By trusted third-party auditors. Okay? New Society Platform shows strong initial signs of legitimacy. Yan po yung pinapakita natin dyan. So, yan po. Kaya yan po yung isa sa mga pwede natin ipakita sa iyo. But not just that, ito po. Meron din po tayong mga certifications, no? Gaya ng galing sa ads from Certic. No, Skynet by Certic po gives a scoring para sa mga crypto companies po, at ino-audit po nila yan. Tinitignan po nila kung ito pong kumpanya to legitimate ba or hindi. No, so may mga white papers din po tayo, at kayo po mismo, you can do your own research din po para po mas malaman nyo pa at mas makita nyo po yung kagandahan ng ginagawa natin here in NSGP. So what is NSGP or what is NSG Coin? Ito po yung token na ginagamit natin na para magkaroon ng community-driven at itong growth ng ating mga engagement. Okay? May mga built-in utilities po tayo such as for payments, rewards, and other perks. Very fun and functional po yung ginagawa natin because it is viral appeals meets real-world users cases or assets. No? So, may mga gagamit na po kayo dito ng ating mga tokens, at nakikita na po natin dito na talaga nagkakaroon tayo ng mark when it comes to the crypto space because it is inspired by other meme coins such as Dogecoins, Shiba, Pepa, or Pepe, but with real utility po yung ginagamit natin dito sa NSGP. No? So what do we mean by those tokens? No? Bigyan ko po kayo ng background, no? Before I read on to these other meme coins na nagsimula. No? So, sino po dito may or? Ayoko nang tanongin, but I don't want to assume naman that everybody knows how to do cryptocurrency, right? But let's just, of course, give the assumption na hindi pa po natin alam about cryptocurrency. So let me just give you a little sharing about how cryptocurrency works and how it was made. Okay? Cryptocurrency was first made back in 2008. Ang unang crypto po na lumabas was called Bitcoin. No? Familiar, narinig na natin for sure ang Bitcoin. No? Bitcoin, dati po walang value yan. Bakit? It was created para maging decentralized financing. It was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, isang Japanese na unknown pa rin kung sino siya. Okay? Ginawa niya to para magkaroon daw ng isang decentralized financing na walang kumpanya, walang entity, walang bangko, Walang gobyerno na may hawak dito. No? Sino may hawak dito? Tayo po, users. It's been confirmed or validated by users upon users. At ang nangyari po sa kanya, blockchain ang ginagamit niya. Okay? So, nagkaroon po ng unang way how to create your crypto. It's through what you call mining. No, hindi po to literal na titiktikin niyo po yung pader ng inyong bahay at maghahanap kayo ng Bitcoin. Ang gagawin niyo po, tatawag ay computer mining. So, from a computer po, mag-solve po kayo ng math problems. Pero hindi na kailangan ikaw dahil computer na ngayon mag-solve para sa yan. Pero as you solve these math problems, aabutin ka dyan ng 2 hours, 4 hours, no? Tapos ilan lang bibigay sa'yo? Re-rewardan ka pag na-solve mo siya ng 0.000001 Bitcoin. Late lang, di ba? So other people would buy sobrang daming computers or even what? Put up their own house as servers para bumilis po yung kanilang pagmamine. At kahit ganun po, hindi pa rin po sila nakapag-mine ng 1 Bitcoin per day. Cannot, because as you solve these math problems, humihirap po siya. Very tricky siya, no? So that's why pagdating ng 2010, nagkaroon ng first trade ng Bitcoin for 10,000 Bitcoins para sa 2 box ng Papa John's Pizza. 2 box lang. Okay? Imagine mo, yun lang yung value niya. Parang ang 5,000 Bitcoin, parang isang box lang o parang 400, 300 pesos lang. Imagine that. And fast forward na 2013 when Bitcoin was introduced to me. Ang presyo na po niya was 20,000. Hindi pa rin po ako bumili. Pagdating ng 2017, naging 80,000 na po siya. Doon pa lang po ako bumili. Kasi bakit? Sabi ko, narinig ko na to dati. Hindi ko pinakinggan. Tumataas yung value. Sayang. Tama? Hanggang fast forward po ng 2018-19, doon po ako nagbenta ng Bitcoin ko. Pero kumita na po tayo, pero sayang, hindi ko nahibutan yung sobrang pagtaas niya because nagkaroon po for the few months ago ng all-time high ng Bitcoin for 7.2 million pesos ang isang Bitcoin. Can you imagine that? Okay? Nung drop po siya ngayon, nag 6.2 million at marami pong natalo sa trade, but still, that is still 6.2 million pesos sa isang Bitcoin. E paano kung nabili mo siya ng magkano? 20,000 pesos. 80,000 pesos. Kahit nabili mo siya ng 500,000 pesos, iniwan mo ngayon, imagine mo 6.2 million siya. Yun po yung power ng cryptocurrency. Now, ganoon din po yung ating mga other tokens na nakikita na gaya ni Dogecoin. Nagsimula si Dogecoin po, ano lang po yan? Joke coin lang po siya inspired by Shiba Inu na meme coin lang po. Hanggang sa ano na po siya, tumaas na po yung value niya. Nag-launch siya at 0.0003. And ang current price po niya nung 8/8/25, nung August 8 po, was already at 0.237. That is 790 times. Yun po yung kanyang inangat. Pero tignan niyo yung all-time high na tinaas niya. Umakit siya ng 0.682. Pero kung nangyari po sa inyo, that is 2,273 times or multiplier ang nakuha niyo po. Wala pa yan. Okay? Ito pa, tawag na Dogecoin Killer on Ethereum. Ito yung Shiba Inu. Ito, medyo hindi ko nasabayan yung angat neto. Pumasok ako dito medyo late na, but still, nandyan pa rin naman siya, no? So, ang current launch price niya is at point, tinan yung gamit, gaano kalayo? 0.000000000000000056. Okay? Pero nung karon po nung ating ano lang, current price po natin is at 0.1, 0.000014. That is 2,000 o 250,000 multiplier ang naangat niya. All-time high niya umabot ng 1 million na multiplier. Can you imagine that? And marami po mga ibang tao na nangyari po sa kanila na may alam ako na bumili ng ng Shiba Inu coin at parang ang pinasok ng ata niya was parang 100,000 pesos. Pero naabutan po nila yung spike ng money nung increase ng token. Grabe po. May bayad lupa na sa Ayala Alabang, naka-supercar na. Imagine in just a span of what? Few years because of the pag-angat ng presyo ng token. So, hindi ko na po papatagalin masyado, but imagine po, even tayo po, NSD token, we started February 2025. Diba? May mga benefits naman po, yung mga trades naman po yung ginagawa natin. Yan po yung mga papakita ko sa inyo, ano ba yung key trades ng token natin. We launched at 0.10. And magkano po ang current price natin? We are at 0.132. That is 32% na kagad increase. Pero ang question, ano po magiging highest natin price? Hindi pa natin alam because why? We're still developing at dahil marami pa tayong gagawin at marami pang ways how we can increase. What if mag times 1,000 yan? What if mag 50 na lang? Doon pa lang panalong-panala tayo, di ba? So yan po ipapakita natin sa inyo dito, no? So ngayon po, ang kagandahan po sa ating token is hindi lang po siya basta binibili for nothing. There is what you call use case or yung tokenomics na tinatawag. Number one, we have subsidiary companies. And two, we have strategic partners. Let's start first with our subsidiaries like such as yung ating NSGP subsidiaries. Ito po yung ating Next Stop, no? Si Next Stop po is our travel partner. Nakita nyo yung mga tours na ginagawa natin kanina, yung video na yun. Nung unang trip na ginawa ng NSGP was in Vietnam noong April. Noong May, nag-ano tayo, KL, nagpadala tayo ng mga tao sa KL, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia sa office. Noong June, yung pinanood nyo kanina, yung Hong Kong, China, Macau. Noong July, Bali, Indonesia tayo. Noong September, na-busy tayo, hindi tayo nag-trip. Why? Dito po natin inayos yung ating another partner na papakita po sa si Tawi Tawi Exchange. No? Mamaya ko kwento yan. Okay? And then, actually, September, ano pa pala tayo? August pa lang. Ano bang ginawa natin ng August? Basta, dami tayong inikutan. Basta no September, nag-Thailand pa tayo, no? So, yan po yung mga perks na ginawa natin. Galing po yan sa ating mga travel partners at itong si Nextstop. Okay? Another one is KPay or Kinajar Pay. Ito po ang ating payment gateway in Indonesia. Okay? Ang KPay po is para po yung GCash ng Indonesia. Yan. So, another subsidiary po yan. Pag-aari din po ng company natin yan, no? So, soon, magkakaroon po tayo ng ganyan mga use cases here sa Philippines, no? And then, other partners natin, we have also AIMS. AIMS is our, what do you call this? Our trading partner. So, kung gusto po mag-forex, gold trading, yan, may AIMS po tayo. We also have Marble Capital. Kung gusto niyo po naman mag-offshore banking, mag-save ng inyong mga assets in other countries, pwede po yan. And we also have Book. Ito po, NFT naman po to. Ano po yung mga metaverse naman po ang tinatawag dito. Ito po yung mga play to earn na habang naglalaro ka, kumikita ka. So yan po ilan sa mga partners natin and hindi na po natin masyado patatagalin or explain masyado about that. But if you want to know more, don't worry. We have other details on how we can share that information with you. But let's go ahead and talk about our tokens, our utility, and how can you grow your assets here in NSGP. Okay? Number one, okay, we have multiple tokens that we are going to do to you. And we'll start first with the BNSG and the WBNSG. BNSG is our bond token. Ito yung una natin binibili. And pwede itong maka-pair ng WBNSG. But ang WBNSG po cannot stand alone on itself. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng mag-isa lang na nag-forge or nag-stake na token. Okay? Another explanation of may staking na yan. But the BNSG po, kaya niyang tumayo on its own. Okay? Ano ginagawa ng WBNSG? Kailangan niya ng katulong ni BNSG. Kaya 50-50 po siya. Okay? So, sa magandang explanation po, no? Parang ang BNSG po, I would treat it as a pure cement. Diba? Ang semento po, pag nilagay mo, pwedeng tumayo. Okay? Ang WBNSG po, para po yan buhangin. Right? Ang buhangin po ba, pwede mong ilagay lang at tatayo ba siya? Hindi po. Ano kailangan niya? Semento. Kailangan mo silang i-mix together para magkaroon ng foundation. Right? Para makatipid ka. Okay? Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa dyan. No? So, ang total supply po natin ng BNSG is 1 billion. At ang kapalit po niyan is meron po tayong makukuhang NSG token. Ito po yung governance token natin. Na meron tayong 4 billion tokens po na iikot sa ating circulation dyan. Okay? Yan yung gusto natin makuhang tokens. And meron din tayong liquidity gas token. Ito po yung pang-gas fee lang natin. Unlimited po yan. Kasi syempre, pang-gasolina lang po yan, pang-ikot ng ating funds para bumalik po yan into USDT or US dollar value. Now, what is staking, Patrick? No? Kanina narinig ko sa iyo ang mining. Kanina narinig ko naman sa iyo ang trading. No? You buy when it's low, you sell when it's high. Parang in-explain natin kanina with the meme coins. And then the next one is what you call now staking. Staking po, I would like to compare it sa parang sa bangko po na para po yung time deposit. Okay? Now, ano ba ginagawa sa time deposit? Diba? Iniiwan mo dun yung pera mo. And then, it will give you what? Interest. Ang tanong, gaano katagal mo iwan pera mo dun? 6 months? 1 year? 2 years? Kano kikitain mo? Question, may bawas pang tax yun? Yes. Diba? Now, ganoon din po sa ating company, sa NSGP po, para ka lang nagsistay. But ang maganda po dito, yung interest mo, pwede mong gamitin daily. Okay ba yun? Okay? So, yun ang pag-uusapan natin. Now, 75% ng ating ng ating NSG token o yung 3 billion is kanina mapupunta yan? Sa atin po. Sa ating pong token holders or community. That's 10% and the other remaining 25% po niya, ng total po niya, mapupunta po yung CX listing reserve, marketing support and airdrop, ecosystem development, pang-expand ng company, and then the last 7.5% para sa funding team and advisors po yan, and then 2.5% para po sa seed and strategic investors po natin, yung po yung total ng 7.5%. And again, itong mga partners na to, itong mga owners na to, this is vested over the next 2 years. Ibig sabihin, after 2 years pa nila magagamit yung kanilang mga token. So, 2027 pa nila may enjoy po yan. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan sa atin dahil majority na hawak po natin yan as community holders. Parang nangyari po sa atin ngayon, we are already earning what? By the millions of tokens every single month because of this platform that we are going to introduce to you. Now, how does it work? Number 1 po, okay? So, please pay attention. Kung kayo po ay medyo nanonood ngayon, kumakain at pay attention because this is how you can make now your tokens here in NSGP. Now, ang unang-unang binibili po in any crypto business is what you call USDT. Okay, yan po unang-unang binibili. Yan po ay universal currency na tatawag ay dollar value. Okay, but in crypto, naka-tether token po siya. Kaya USDT ang tawag. Okay, so pag binili po ng USDT, okay, pwede po kayong bumili ngayon ng BNSG at ng WBNSG. Pwedeng gusto mo pure BNSG, pwede. Pwedeng gusto mong halo, BNSG at WBNSG, pero wag kang bibili ng sobrang lahat, WBNSG lang. Kasi bakit? Hindi mo po siya mapo-forge. Okay? So ngayon, pag stinake na po natin siya, ano mangyayari po doon? We are going to burn your token. So you say goodbye to your token, bye-bye. But itong maganda sa token na yan. Habang binaburn mo tong tokens na to, magpo-produce po siya sa'yo ng NSG token. Okay? Ito yun. Okay? Magkano? This will give you 0.60% every single day. Yan yung interest na makukuha mo na sinasabi ko kanina. So again, bumili ka worth 1,000 tokens. Okay? So every single day, bibigyan ka ng 0.60% ng token mo. Question, pwede bang withdraw every day yun? Yes, pwede mong withdrawin yun. But here's the catch. If you don't withdraw on a daily basis, okay, sabi dito, bibigyan ka pa ngayon ng company ng 0.01% daily. Basta ang gagawin mo lang, i-click mo lang yung daily booster reward mo. Pag ginawa mo yun, every single time, every 24 hours, bibigyan ka niya ng 0.01% daily. So, example, nag-start ka today. So, bukas, 0.60 ka. Hindi ka nag-withdraw. Okay, ano mangyayari? The next day, 0.61 ka naman. Hindi ka ulit nag-withdraw, ano mangyayari? Magiging 0.62. And then 0.63, and then 0.64, and so forth and so on, hanggang umabot po kayo ng maximum of 1.05% per day. That is the maximum that you can earn, but still, you still need to click your NSG Forge Booster because compounding po siya. Mas bibilis po siya kasi Forge Power po yung nagdadaan dyan, at mas makikita niyo po yan as you see our platform. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo. At it will keep on growing. Okay? Hanggang sa maabot niyo po ang maximum or potential earnings niyo po sa NSGP, which is how much? Times 3 ng binili niyong token, or a total of 300%. So example, bumili ka ng 1,000 token. Hanggang magkano pwede makuha mo? Hanggang 3,000 tokens. Kung bumili ka ng 10,000 tokens, hanggang 30,000 tokens. Kung bumili ka ng 100, hanggang 300,000 tokens. Ganun lang po kasimple yan. Clear? Okay. Now, every time naman po, kung i-withdrawin niyo po siya, kailangan niyo po ng liquidity gas. Meron po tayo sa platform yan. And meron din po siyang price impact. And then, you can convert it back to USDT and you can now send it back to your wallets or even trade niyo po yan into fiat. Okay? So yan na po yung ginagawa natin. Yung iba po, binebenta rin din po sa amin at kami na po nakikipagpalit. Pwede naman po yun, no? Kami na lang po magta-trade ng inyong tokens. But syempre, of course, when you sell our tokens to us, kung magkano binebenta ng system, gano'n din po namin bibilin sa inyo. Kasi bakit? Pares po tayong distributor. Okay? So ito po isang example that we can show you po, no? So, imagine po, okay? I'll give you two example. Okay? Ito po yung ating production system. Okay? Example number one is hindi ka nag-withdraw everyday. Pinagamit mo yung power of compounding. The example number two is you're withdrawing everyday. Ito po yun. Okay? If you don't withdraw within the next 30 days, you will earn or have a yield ng 24.93%. Pwede na ba yun? Hindi pa. Wala pa sa ROI mo yan. After 60 days, maging 69.06. After 90 days, tignan mo naman, 131% ka na. Question, ROI ka na ba? Yes. Bakit? Diba? That's more than what you, 131% na yan, kasama yung puhunan mo dyan. Pero nag-antay ka another 30 days, 120 days total, magkano na siya? 216 na siya, percent. Pero, tignan mo naman, 143 days, nakita mo, nakuha mo na yung maximum, ano mangyari? Nag-mature na siya ngayon, therefore, you need to exit now your tokens or claim your tokens. Bakit? Di na po siya magre-reward ngayon. Okay? But what you can do is you can now take your initial na binili. Bawa, yung binili mo worth 1,000 tokens, on bawa, 10,000 pesos, 50,000, kung binili, ginamit mo noong una, yung remain na kinita mo, pwede mong i-reforge po yan. Pwede mong paikutin para kumita na naman ng another times 3. Yung iba ginagawa 150%, tinatanggal nila 150%, pinapasok nila. Iba naman 200%, tinatanggal nila yung 100%, pinapasok po ulit. Pwede po yun, that is up to you because that is your own money. Okay, kaya sabi natin, this is not a investment. Up to you po yan kung ano pong gusto nyo gawin sa inyong money. But another example po, what if gusto nyo po mag-withdraw everyday? Pwede ba yun? Pwede po. No? So yung 100% mo, pag ginawa mo yan, aabutin ng 167 days. Okay? Yung 300% mo, aabutin ng 500 days. Okay? But at least nakuha mo yung 300%. 500 days nga lang. So up to you yan kung ano gusto mo. Gusto mo bang daily o gusto mo kunin yung power ng compounding. Ito po yung difference. May compounding power po siya. Okay? Kaya po mas mabilis. Okay? Now, example po. Bumili kayo kunyari ng worth $1,000. Nung nagsimula si NSGP po, ang value po niya is at $0.1 per token. So yung $1,000 mo, may nakuha ka magkano? $10,000 yan. Sorry, 10,000 tokens. Okay? So in 30 days, hindi ka nag-claim. Kaya neto, meron kang 2,493 NSG tokens. After 60 days, meron kang 6,906. After 90 days, meron kang 13,000 tokens. After 120 days, meron kang 21,000 tokens. After 143 days, meron kang 30,000 tokens. So assuming po, I'll give you an example. To example po, assuming po hindi po tumaas yung value ng token natin. Nag-0.1 pa rin po siya. So 30,000 times 0.1 or 10 cents, may $3,000 ka. Question, magkano pong binili nyo? $1,000. Magkano pong kinita nyo? $3,000. Good way to earn? Yes. What if, kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo na tumataas yung value ng token? What if, nag $1 po siya? Okay? Tignan niyo po, 30,000 times $1, magkano pong kinita nyo? $30,000. Question, is that times 3? No. What's that? Hindi ko alam. Times 300. Okay? Yun po yung pwede nyo kitain dyan. Okay? So, yan po yung power of the crypto. Okay? Sabi nga, kahit hindi na natin gawin $1, gawin natin 50 cents na lang. May 15,000 tokens ka pa rin. Panalo ka pa rin dyan. Kahit gawin mo siyang 25 cents, panalo ka pa rin dyan. At right now nga po, we are at 0.132 already. And ako, I'm assuming tomorrow. Tomorrow, if not Monday, mag-0.133 yan. Okay, marami po kami binibiling tokens. Okay? So, yan po yung ginagawa natin here, that how you can earn passively here in NSGP. Now, question ko po, may nakita po ba kayong package? Wala po. We're not an MLM company because di po ito package. Kung ano po ang kaya nyo lang, if you want to do 1,000 pesos, so be it. Kung gusto nyo 10,000, so be it. If you want 100,000, so be it. Okay? But of course, syempre, the higher the put amount, the higher the risk, but the higher the reward as well. Tama ba? Okay, if you put 1,000, you can get 3,000. Sasabihin, ay sayang, sana nag 10,000 ako para nag 30,000. Sabi nung isa nag 10,000, sayang, sana nag 100,000 ako para nag 300,000 ako. Diba? So it's up to you if you how much you want to put in. Okay? So yan yung sabi ko pa sa inyo how you can earn passively. Second one, this is how naman you can earn during the active income naman. Ito naman, if you want to speed up your earnings here in NSGP, pwede rin pong gawin to. You can bring people to the community and build your organization like what we did. No? So ito po, sabi dito na every time you bring someone to the community, whatever they earn on a daily basis, yung kanilang 0.60, 0.61, everyday yun, di ba? Okay? Dahil ikaw nag-refer doon, magkakaroon ka doon ng 10%. So example, in-invite nyo ako. Okay? Kumikita ako every single day, kunyari ng $100. Dahil kayo nag-imbita sa akin, meron kang 10% doon, di meron ka magkano? $10 per day. Pwede na? Pwede na yun, no? Mga 580 pesos ngayon yun. $10. Laki. Okay? Para kami additional minimum wage. Okay? Eh, paano kung may isa ka pang kaibigan na kumikita din, na in-invite mo dito, kumikita ng $100 per day? Eh, dalawa na yun, may $20 ka. That's 1,100 plus every single day. In 30 days, that is what? 30,000 pesos, dagdag. Nag-refer ka lang ng dalawa. Okay? Yun po yung additional income natin dito. Second is you can reach po yung ating mga rankings. No? Pwede po kayo mag-rank up to N1 all the way to N6. Ano po kailangan nyo gawin? Sa N1 po, kailangan lang magkaroon kayong at least minimum na 2 invite. May in-invite kayong 2 tao. Tapos, umabot po yung total group sales. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng in-invite nila, lahat ng kasama sa organization mo, umabot po ng 100,000 total tokens, okay, in your whole organization. But, ang kailangan po niyan, at least kung dalawa, yung kabilang side, at least meron dyan at least 20% ng volume. Kahit yung isa malaki, pero at least yung isa naman po, 20%, pwede po yan, mag-N1 po kayo. Ano mangyari pa nag-N1 po kayo? Lahat po ng tao sa ilalim nyo, kahit di na ikaw nag-invite, di ba kami sa number 1 natin, ikaw lang? Ito po, pa nag-N1 ka, lahat ng invite, lahat po yan sa buong organization mo. Basta, wala pa pong N1 sa kanila, meron ka makukuha 10% sa daily staking din nila. So, ako po in-invite nyo. Nag-invite ako ng kaibigan ko. N1 ka na. May 10% ka din sa kanya. Yung kaibigan ko, nag-invite siya ng isa pa niyang pinsan. May 10% ka na naman doon. Ganun din sa friend mo. Lahat po kami, may 10% po kayo. Kaya po pwede naman kayong inyong income nga po dito. Okay? Excuse me. Now, paano kung halimbawa nangyari si Sir Pat na in-invite mo, nag-N1 na din? May 10% ka pa? Wala na po. Breakaway na po ang tawag doon. Mag-breakaway na po ako sa iyo kasi pares tayong N1. Pero anong maganda? Okay lang po yun. Kasi gawin mo, i-N1 mo din yung kaibigan mo. Kasi pag N1 ako, N1 yung kaibigan mo, dalawa kaming in-invite mo na N1, tapos umabot ng total group sales ng 500,000, tapos bibili ka nito. Ito yung cute na yan, yung happy bara natin. Our NFT. And I'll give you that perks probably the next slide presentations natin. Magkakaroon po kayo ng N2 na ranking. Ano mga doon? 20% na po kayo. Therefore, babalik na po ulit yung 10% mo sa akin at sa buong organization ko. Pati sa pinsan mo, ay sa kaibigan mo, hanggang sa lahat ng organization niya. Klaro? Parang N2? Bakit 10% lang? Nakalagay 20. Kasi nasa akin na yung 10 eh. N1 ako eh. 20 ka. 20 minus 10 is 10%. Yun na makukuha mo. So, tag 10 tayo. Clear? Eh, bakit 20? Oh, what if may na-invite ka isang bagong tao? Okay? Nilagay mo sa ibang line. Okay? Pwede ba yun? Yes. No, hindi po tayo binary, hindi nga po tayo MLM. Lahat po kahit pwede yung invited. When you do that, 20% ka dun. Bakit? Hindi pa siya N1. Okay, lahat ng bagong papasok na wala pang ranking na dinaanan, 20% ka doon. Okay? Paano kung nag-ento na rin ako? Breakaway na naman ako. Nag-ento yung kaibigan mo, breakaway na naman siya. But, ano bang requirement ng entry? Dalawang N2 in your organization at umabot ng 1.5 million group sales, magiging entry ka na and you will get 30% na naman. Okay? And so forth and so on. Okay? N4, kailangan mo dalawang N3. N5, kailangan mo dalawang N4. N6, kailangan mo dalawang N5. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Now, ang maganda dito, meron pa siyang peer acceleration tong number 3. Na pag tayo ay same level, kung N3, di ba kanina N2 tsaka N1, pag nag-same level kayo, breakaway. Ito, hindi. Pag nag-N3 hanggang N6, basta same level kayo, makakuha ka pa rin ng 10%. Wag lang malalagpasan ka. Halimbawa, N3 ako. N3 ka din. After next week, nag-N4 ako. May 10% ka pa. Wala na. Doon na complete breakaway na po siya. Kailangan nyo habulin para mag-N4 or N5 po kayo. Okay? So, next is, number 4 is our group or global pool na tinatawag. Saan nanggagaling tong global pool natin? Ito po yun. Sabi dito, number 1, number 2, and number 3, itong earnings natin dito, 70% po neto ay nanggagaling po saan yan? Mapupunta po sa NSG wallet natin yan. What is the NSG wallet? Ito po yun. Yung times 3 na binili niyo po. So, kung bumili ka ng 1,000, ang times 3 mo, hanggang 3,000 tokens. Kung 10,000 ang binili mo, hanggang 30,000 ang iyong NSG wallet. So, if that being said na sinabi dito, na-add yung 70% ng kinikita dito sa inyong NSG wallet, okay, ibig sabihin ba, bibilis yung days mo sa pagpuno ng 300%? The answer is yes. Yan po ang sikreto dyan. Huwag niyo po tignan yung days lang neto. If you're gonna do passive earning, ito po yung makukuha nyo. But if you're going to build an organization, pwede pong bumilis yan. Kasi bakit? Isipin niyo po itong baso ko. Okay? Dalawa po pinanggagalingan. Ito po yung NSG wallet nyo. Unang pinanggagalingan niya is itong daily staking mo. 0.60, 0.61, 0.62, 0.63, 143 days para mapuno yan. Okay? Kung ito lang gagawin mo passive, what if gagawin mo to? Okay? So, duwala dito yung N1, N2, N3. So, mabilis po, dalawa yung pinanggagalingan niya, mas mabilis po napupuno yung inyong wallet o yung kaban nyo po. So, dito po, pwede po matapos po kayo ng hindi lang 143 days. Pwede kayo matapos ng 135, 120, 90 days, 80 days, 60 days. Gusto niyo po ba yun? 60 days na tapos na kayo sa 300% mo? Siyempre naman. Like what happened with me po, my first cycle po in NSGP, natapos po ako in 62 or 63 days. 63 days. Yeah, 63 days. Pagdating po ng second cycle ko po, natapos po ako ng 23 days. My third cycle, natapos po siya ng 30 days. My fourth cycle, natapos po siya ng 48 days. My fifth cycle, natapos po siya ng 42 days. 40 to 42 days. Okay, ganoon lang po kaigsi. Every time po na-finish ko po siya. At hindi po maliit ang token natin. Palaki po ng palaki yung tokens natin. Okay, I'm already on my 6th cycle here in NSGP and we are only 8 months in the business. No? Kaka 8 months na po tayo. Actually, today, no? Today is our 8th month here in NSGP. We started February 18. So, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay? So, happy 8 months to us, no? A great way to do this presentation. And then, yun nga po, no? Bumibilis nga po yung inyong staking period, no? Natatapos kayo na maaga. And then, the 20%, ito nga po yung global pool. Mag-N2 ka pa lang. May global pool ka na kagad. Maghahati-hati po kayo lahat ng N2 ng 30% po ng income dyan sa ating global pool. Ang N3 po, 25% na pinaghahatian ng lahat ng N3 dyan. Ang N4 po, 20%. N5 is 15%. Okay? And N6 is 10%. Okay? And then the last one is the 10%, the insurance pool. Ito po yung naiipon lang po sa kaban ng company natin. Okay? Para po pag nagkaroon ng time na bentahan po ng token yung mga tao, hindi po magsasadsad yung presyo ng token na po natin. Okay? Para meron po siyang, parang ano lang po yan eh. Ceiling na hanggang dito lang po siya. So, hindi po siya bababa. Ceiling ba tawag doon or safety? Parang gano'n. Parang safety net. Okay? So, yan po yung ating how you can earn your active income in NSGP. Now, question is, gusto niyo po ba mag-rank up? Siyempre naman. Mas malaki income nyo doon. Okay? Because ang N1 po, na ranking can give you, I think, from $3 all the way to $50 per day. Okay? Ang N2 can give you from $50 all the way to $300. 300. Ang N3 po, from 300 umaabot po ng hanggang $900. Ang N4 po, from about 900 umaabot po siya ng up to, pinakamalaki ko sa N4 was close to $2,000. Okay? Ang N5 po is from 2,000, umaabot po yan up to $4,000. Okay? I myself is already an N5. And hindi ko po nagawa yan because magaling po ako, hindi po. It's because I built this with a team. Yun po yung ginawa ko, tinuro ko po sa mga tao or sa aking team po, sa ating team po on how we can grow this. Nagtulungan po tayo. Okay, at yun din po ginagawa namin. I want to push my other teams na lumaki. I want them to earn the N4, N5 rankings because I want them to start earning that amount of money. Okay? At ang target po natin ma-reach natin not just N6 but the N7 level, no? So N7 levels kailangan meron kang 6 na N6 na direct referral mo mismo. So soon na po yan. So natin papakita po sa inyo. But question is, gusto niyo po ba mag-rank up? Siyempre naman, no? So turo ko po sa inyo para po makakapagbilis po kayo mag-rank up. Ito po cheat code po ito, ha. To speed up your earning here at NSGP, ito lang kailangan mong gawin. Okay, may kilala ka bang tatlong tao? Okay, na gustong kumita o mabagong buhay niya? I'm sure there is, no? So itong tatlong tao na to, kailangan mo lang pagbentahan ng 10,000 BNSG token. Yun na po siya. That's 1,326 US dollars. Okay? Sa tatlong in-invite mo na yan, ang gagawin lang nun, mag-update ng tag sa tatlo. So yung unang invite mo, tatlo. Yung 9, ikaw maghahanap? Hindi. Sila po yun. Yung 9 po maghahanap ng 20 ng tatlo, that's 27. Yung 27 maghahanap ng tatlo, that's 81. And so forth and so on. Ang total po is 1,092. Kaya? Kaya po yan. Bakit? Hindi po ikaw yung maghahanap nito. Ilan ang hanapin mo? Tatlo lang. Pag bumili po sila tag 10,000 tokens, tignan mo naman po, N4 po agad yung inyong ranking. Anong income mo dyan? I would assume you will be starting to earn there about $1,200 to $1,500 per day. Pwede na, mga 80,000 pesos to 90,000 pesos per day. Pwede na? Good. Right? Now, what if di kaya, Sir Pat, daming kaya ng organization, di kaya lang 1,000, 10,000 BNSG. Di kalahati, 5,000 BNSG. Kaya? Kung kaya, di naman, N4 ka pa rin. Ito naman, maging income mo dito, I would assume mga nasa ano ka dito. $800 to $1,000 per day. Pwede pa rin. Nasa 50,000 pesos mark ka pa rin every single day. Good income? Good. No? Now, Sir Pat, di namin kaya. 25% na lang. Okay? 2,500 tokens bawat isa. Okay? Tignan mo naman yan. N3. Meron ka pa rin dyan mga nasa 500 to about $700 per day. Pwede na po? Pwede na pagtsagaan? Syempre naman. 'Di ba? Meron ka dyan mga nasa 35 to 40,000 pesos daily. Okay? So yun how you want to target your income. Yan po yan. No? In any business naman po kasi, ang kailangan dyan meron kang sistema. Ito pinapakita po sa inyo is already a system. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangang isipin. Hindi mo na kailangang pagtrabaho ano ba dapat or which or with what not to. Okay? Kasi ito po is already a proof that the system is working because nangyari na po siya sa atin. You wanna earn bigger? Targetin po same amount ng number pero higher ang volume. Tignan niyo po N6 ka kung 50,000 tokens. Mag-halfway ka dyan, 25 at 25,000. N5 ka pa rin. Ito, N6 ka na. Kung di maabutin 25%, yun nga, N4 ka pa rin. Kung gusto mong sobra-sobra pa, you have to know everything about the business. So you need to follow po yung ating mga social media accounts. So may tayong Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, X or the former Twitter, and then WhatsApp. Now, kung hindi pa po kayo naka-follow dyan, please also follow us on our own NSGP Philippines na pioneers or official para po updated po kayo sa lahat ng presentations natin at updates every single day. Okay? So ngayon po, Tapos na po ang ating presentation. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. But of course, we're not gonna end in just like that, no? But we want to be able to show you how the system works, no? So, tignan natin. Dahil ko nang di binuksan tong aking laptop dahil na busy tayo. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, connect natin yung ating wallet. Yan. Nakita niyo po yung aking password? Hindi ko matandaan na ba password ko. Talo ka. Gusto ko yung password ko. Oh, what's going on? What's happening? Yon, kinabahan ako dun ah. Anyways, so ito po yung isa sa mga ano natin, no, crypto wallets po natin na inopen. Okay, let's see. Yon, okay. So you can see here this I'm already an N5. Okay. So dito pala makikita nyo kagad yan sa ating referral, yung mga taong organization mo, yung group sales nyo. You will see there's 20 million thousand members or sorry, group sales, but the members is already 4,951. Ang nag-present lang tayo, nadagdagan tayo ng isa. Okay, so matatapos siguro to tong week na to, tong bukas, tapos na kagad yan 5,000 members na tayo in the Philippines, no? So, let's go team. Okay, so, when you want to purchase a token, ito po malaman nyo kung magkano kadaming tokens makukuha mo, no? So, ginagawa ko po, is from peso. I convert it now to USDT. So, ngayon, ang palitan, 58.30 to 58.50 ang palitan niyan. Medyo mataas. So, halimbawa, 100,000, 10,000, divided by 58.50. Okay, so, halimbawa, lumabas is $500. Enter may amount dyan. May 2% slippage fee lang po tayo. At ang makukuha niyo pong token, ito po, 3,712. Okay? Yan po yung transfer namin sa inyo. Whether it's pure BNSG or a combination of BNSG and WBNSG. Okay? And yung gagawin niyo po, kiklik niyo lang po itong NSG Forge Vault. Yan. Sa pagka-click niyo po dyan, makikita niyo po yung tokens na binili. Ang binili ko po tokens na naka-forge po ngayon, okay, is 342,506. Anong value nito, Sir Pat? 342,506 times 0.132, which is the value of our token ngayon, para makuha niyo po yung dollar value niyan. Okay? Kayo na po mag-math. Okay? Tapos times 58 mo siya. Yun po yung value niyan. Okay? At as of today, kailan ko po sinimulan yan? September 29 lang po. September 29. Ilang days pa lang po yan. Okay? 18 days. 18 days pa lang tumatakbo or 19 days. Okay? But this account already gave me 44,973 tokens sa aking daily staking as at 0.78 na ako. Okay? Imagine mo yan. Tapos, ilan po yun? That's 5,906 US dollars na in just 80 days. O, bang income yun? Pwede na, no? Pero kung titignan mo siya, ang total na kinita na niya ng token na to, okay, guys, look, 348,235. Why? Hindi po ako nakadepend sa staking ko daily. But in the community that I built, no, we were able to build. Ito po yung pinanggagalingan yan. Ito po siya. Tingnan mo. ROI na ba ako? Yes, balik na yung aking nilabas, oh. Yan, no? 342. Ito, 343, 48. Saan napupunta po yun? Nandito po yung napupunta kagad directly to my assets. Ayan. Ayan na po, oh. Magkano kaya $20,000? 1 point something million, right? Eh, hindi pa yun. Meron pa tayong BNSG na 887. Meron pa tayong iba pang US dollar nandito. So, yun po yung ginagawa natin. Okay? And ano kailangan mong gawin para makuha mo yung daily staking mo? Click mo lang itong Energy Forge Booster. No? Bago mag-zero yan, pwede mo i-click yung boost now. Confirm, ano mangyari? Hahaba na naman ulit po siya. 100% na naman po siya. Basta wag yun na po, ma-zero po yan ng buong 24 hours. Ha? Hindi po kayo makakuha nung compounding nyo. So example, nakastock po kayo sa 0.78. No? Hindi kayo nag-boost pa, Forge Booster today. Bukas, 0.78 ka pa rin. Hindi magiging 0.79. Yun lang po mangyayari. Sayang. Okay? So di mo matatapos yung 143. Baka maging 144 siya. Kasi bakit? Tumatagal po. Okay? So yun po yan ha. So yun ang kailangan nyo lang gawin. Now, yun nga po, when you click on asset, makikita nyo nga po dyan yung ating wallet or kung magkano yung tokens sa loob yung system. And then, when you go to your performance report, makikita naman po dito yung total na kinita nyo ng token. No? So like ako, this account po already earned, nag-start po ako February 20 of 2025. This account already earned 1,895,434. Okay na po ba yun? Okay? Magkano po yun in dollar value? Ito na po siya. 250,197 USDT. Good? $250,000 in dollars. Guys, nung nagsimula po ako magtrabaho, siguro wala na po dito na gusto hindi mag-dream ng malaki. Tama? Lahat po tayo gusto kumita. Lahat po tayo gusto magkaroon ng madaming money. Why? It's not for us. Hindi lang para sa atin. Right? Para kanino? For our family. We want to give the best to our family. Okay? So dati ako nag-start ako, sabi ko, ay, gusto ko maging milyonaryo. Okay? So nangyari po siya at the age of 23 na nagtrabaho po ako. I was able to do it. And sabi ko, what's next? Sabi ko, pwede kaya maging milyonaryo in dollars? Why not? Dream big. Ngayon po, tignan niyo po siya. 250,000 USDT, quarter of a million. 750,000 na lang, guys. Magiging milyonaryo tayo in dollars. Di ba? Yun po yung gusto natin pakita po sa'yo. This is not to, what do you call this? Is not um, to boast, but this is to inspire and to be able to share with you that it's happening. Imagine 18 days pa lang po tumatakbo na yun, but the comp or the system already gave me 33% of my initial money na pinasok po dyan, na tokens na binili po natin. Why? Because this account, no October 13, on a daily basis, is average earning $2,100, 14 po, 2,250, 5, the other day po, 2,298, 16 po, 2,317, kahapon po, 2,295. At today pa lang po, hindi pa po tayo natatapos, 8 PM pa lang po, may 1,600 na po dyan in dollars. Na question, gusto rin po magkaroon ng ganitong income? I do believe you guys want to. Right? It's not impossible. I thought before it was, but until na nagawa ko siya, then it's not. Ibig sabihin, there's already a proof of concept na gagawa na po natin. And not only me, Sir Charles, Sir Brian, Miss Dallas, Sir Gren, madami na pong mga leaders ngayon, sila Chad, and a lot. Yung mga leaders po natin who shared this Zoom link with you are already earning good amount of money here in NSGP and even going to grow their assets very soon. Because by December to January of next year, lalabas na po ang ating crypto exchange. Lalabas na po ang ating token sa crypto exchange, which is a Tawi-Tawi exchange po. At ang best bet po natin, our token will reach 0.35 minimum to about 50 cents. And imagine, if you have, let's say, 100,000 tokens, times 35, 0.35, yun na lang po yun. Okay? And kung meron po kayong 0.50 cents, magkano po yun? That's $50,000. Eh, what if meron ko po kayo nag $1 po siya? That's 100,000 US dollars. Waiting po. Okay? So yun po yung pinapakita natin dito na it's not impossible to have something, a good income. This is not an MLM company. Tignan niyo po Pag may in-invite ka sa MLM, may kita? Yes. Pag wala kang in-invite, may kita? Wala. Sa MLM, pag wala kang bentang product, may kita ka? Wala. Balik natin. Sa NSGP, Huwag ka magbenta, may kikitain ka? Yes, sa daily staking mo. Nag-invite ka, may kikitain ka? Yes. Eh, hindi ka nag-invite, may kikitain ka pa rin? Yes, meron pa rin. Hindi mo kailangan mag-invite. But, why would you stop by just earning from your passive when you can do your active also? Why? Huwag mo antayin na lumaki yung token mo through staking. Trabahuhin mo siya. Don't be just proactive. Don't be just reactive. Be proactive. Huwag mo antayin na isang bagay para mangyari. Ang gawin mo, make it happen. Why? It's your choice. Your choice how you want to live your life. Your choice how you want to grow your income. But this time, the best way is we're sharing with you the experience that happened with us. We're sharing with you how it's done. We're sharing with you how you can make your own assets. And just you know, to inspire you, marami na po tayo naging building ng foundation natin dito sa NSGP at mga na-accomplish, no? We were able to buy some real-world assets and very, very soon I would like to share those with you at para ma-inspire po kayo at makita niyo po na marami pong nagagawa ang NSGP po at nakakatulong po sa maraming tao. And it is not the first na nangyari po ito. Nangyari po to sa last company that I did na very staking din po yung ginagawa. I started with only 15,000 pesos. But in 1 year, in 3 months ko po siyang ginawa na money po earned or lumaki po siya ng 5.6 million pesos. Now, question, Sir Pat, how much did you start in NSGP? Dahil syempre may a little budget po tayo, nagsimula po tayo dito. I started with 600,000. Yes po. I divided into 4 accounts. My account, 2, and then 2 of my kids. Okay? So, this account, eto na po nakita nyo, yun na po siya. I-multiply yun na lang po, yung 250,000 US dollars times 57, wag na po yung 58 ngayon. Yan po yung kinita niya in just 8 months in the business. Okay? So, I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung ating presentation, but before I end, I would probably give about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Kung may mga questions po kayo, if you want to know more about NSGP, may mga katanong po kayo, feel free to chat po or message us. But again, please do follow us on our social media accounts so we can be updated. Pa-add po kayo sa ating mga GCs. And not just that, no? If you want to do NSGP po, if you're nakita niyo po yung potential dito, and if you want to learn more about it, please do contact the person who shared this Zoom link with you para pag-usapan niyo po on how you can start your journey here in NSGP. Now, if hindi naman niyo po nagustuhan sa NSGP po, okay lang din po yun. Maraming salamat pa rin po for joining us. Maybe soon, maybe in the next few weeks to few months, pag nakita niyo po yung mas tumataas na yung value ng token natin at nagustuhan niyo po siya, we're still gonna be here to share with you the opportunity, and thank you for joining us here in our Zoom presentation, no? So before I end for our presentation, may any questions naman po ba? Parang wala. Mahimik kayo dyan Kamusta kayo? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung ating presentation? Ayan, meron tayo ditong very special guest, no? I'd like to pwede ka naman magsalita ng konti, a little bit, Sir Charles, no? Kasi si Sir Charles ngayon is not here. He is on a trip with our partners and leaders in what do you call this? In China. Nasa China sila ngayon. Enjoying their time there, na kagabi nagpapamasahe lang to si Sir Charles di mo ako inimbita dyan, sir Hindi, joke lang. Because may plan po kasi tayo to go to Japan and to help other leaders there. Expanding po tayo to other countries. Japan is under Philippines po. And yun po, tutulungan po natin mag-expand ng Japan po. Nasa trip ka pa, Sir Charles? Tour kayo? Wala na kayong questions, guys? Okay na po ba kayo? Wow. Okay, ito meron tayong question. Of course, yun nga po, tama po yung sabi ni Sir Charles. Yung risk po is we cannot guarantee the prices po. Diba? Prices varies po, it goes up and down. But the good thing of what we're doing is we know how to take care of our community. We work in synchronization with everyone, and that's why napapataas natin yung value ng token natin. Unlike with other crypto projects, hindi mo alam kung sino mga kasama mo doon because sumali ka lang because nasa Twitter sila, no? So yun po. Yeah. Tama po yan, Sir Charles. No? If someone can guarantee you po with their tokens na kikitain nyo, yeah, run away. No such thing. Everything has a risk. Any business has a risk. Tayo ka ng restaurant, not sure kung tatakbo o hindi. Right? Kahit Jollibee po, may alam po ako. Kahit 7-Eleven po, may alala po ako. Nag-franchise po, nalugi din po siya. Every business has a risk. Yep, converting the NSD to USDT, how much is the gas fee and is it fixed? Depende po yun sa amount. Tama po sabi ni Sir Charles, it varies po depending on the how much volume. So, syempre, the lower the tokens that you're going to convert, the smaller the value it is. But as you go higher, lumalaki po yung ating gas fee po dyan. Any more? Sir Pogs, hindi po. Hindi kailangan. Hindi kailangan direct referral mo. Basta nasa organization mo. Pero hindi pwede ba sa isang line mo may dalawang N2, hindi po considered yun ha. Kabilaan po kasi breakaway na yun eh. Mga preparation for TTEX launching. Yep, prepare your IDs because magpapa-KYC po tayo. Okay? Or you asking na preparation ng ano, ng company. For personal, we need your ID para po because we're in exchange. We need to KYC each and every member to be able to send it to your accounts or your bank accounts. The company is preparing a lot of things. As you can see sa updates natin, dami natin mga listings na ginagawa and mga certifications to list our tokens and to register it not only in the Philippines but even international such as US. Okay? Tama po yun. Sabi ni Sir Charles, hawakan niyo po ang inyong mga tokens. No? Kasi marami po ngayon, lumalabas na yung tokens nila. Nag-NSD na, nagmamature na. Ang ginagawa po, binibenta na. Ang baba pa, 1.132 pa lang. Okay pa rin po, bibilin po rin namin, pa rin po namin po sa inyo yan. But if you can hold, like with what happened with Bitcoin, sinong nanalo sa Bitcoin po are the people who held their tokens. Held when it's tumataas, hindi pa rin nila binenta. Nung tumataas, hindi pa rin binibenta. Hanggang sa naramdaman na yung yun. Ang ganda ng income. Saka po sila nagbenta. And they earned a lot. Any more? Kung wala na po tayong questions, no? Of course, again, thank you guys for coming to our Zoom presentations. Kung meron man po, please do message the person who shared this Zoom link with you para pag-usapan niyo po on how you can start your business here in NSGP nga po as I mentioned earlier. So with that po, maraming salamat po for being in our Zoom presentation. Kita-kita po ulit tayo. We're gonna do our presentations every Wednesdays and Saturdays at 7 p.m. No? So next time, invite po kayo ng inyong mga friends at family, no? Kayaan niyo po muna kami muna mag-explain at mag-present sa kanila. At ang gawing goal niyo lang po, tulungan po tayo, mag-invite lang po kayo. Yun lang po pinaka-best way. And then from there, as they want to join in, tuturo po natin sa kanila step by step po. So with that po, maraming salamat guys. Have a great weekend, no? Church po tayo tomorrow. At the same time, be with your family. And again, thank you. Good night. Welcome po, welcome po. God bless guys. God bless. Bye. Welcome. Bye guys. Ingat. God bless. Good night.